Hello everyone, myself Anand Joshi and I am working as a assistant professor in Chandigarh Polytechnic College, Ghudua in mechanical department. Today our topic is grinding. So now I am presenting a presentation on grinding topic. So this is a slide presentation on grinding machines. First slide shows a grinding introduction. Grinding is a surface finishing operation where very thin layer of material is removed in the form of dust particles. Thickness of material removed is in range of 0.25 to 0.50 mm. So in the grinding machine, material removed range is 0.25 to 0.50 mm. So tool used in is a abrasive wheel. So wheel first in the grinding machine you saw the two wheels are rotated simultaneously in the two different positions. First is the depth is long and second is the short. So first is the wheel is the thick wheel and is the second is the light wheel. So here is a switch to start which will be used in the currently position or current situation. Elements of grinding wheel. Abrasive is the basic element of a grinding wheel. Abrasive is the material employed for sharpening, grinding and polishing operations. Natural abrasive and artificial abrasive is the two type of abrasive elements. First is natural abrasive is emery paper, corundum, quartz, sandstone, diamond, etc. And in artificial abrasive is carbondum, alloxide, alundum, etc. Application of a abrasive. First application is corundum. It is a natural mineral which consists of aluminium oxide, hardest natural substance after a diamond, used for shaping, finishing and polishing other tools. Second is the emery. Natural abrasive consisting of aluminium oxide and little amount of iron oxide. Third is the silicon carbide. It is a synthetic abrasive harder than aluminium oxide, used to grind metals like iron, brass and soft bronze. Used in non-metals like wood and leather industries. In the next is the zirconia alumina. It is a mixture of zirconium oxide and aluminium oxide used in casting and foundry industries. Cubic boron nitride. It is made up of boron nitride with a cubic crystalline structure. It is used for hard coating material. Next is the diamond, also a element of abrasive part. Bonding material. So bonding is another part of the grinding wheel. These are adhesives which holds the abrasive grain together. Vitrified process, silicate process, elastic process and rubber or vulcanite process. So in the next slide we discuss about the grinding machines. Grinding machine is a power operated machine tool where the workpiece is fed against constantly rotating abrasive wheel to remove thin layer of material from the work. So here it is the principle of grinding machine, which we saw the two wheels rotated simultaneously in the different positions. Workpiece is fed against the rotating abrasive wheel. Due to action of rubbing or friction between the abrasive particles and workpieces, material is removed. So यहाँ पे आप डायग्राम देख रहे हो कि जो आपका abrasive व्हील्स हैं तो व्हील के ऊपर आपके abrasive पार्टिकल एज ए बॉन्डिंग पार्टिकल जो है वो अटैच्ड होते हैं. तो मेन वर्क जो है वो आपका व्हील्स के ऊपर abrasive पार्टिकल्स का होता है. ये आपके बेटा ग्रिड साइजेस के होते हैं। तो ग्रिड साइजेस में आपका यहाँ पे टेबल के ऊपर आप जो वर्क पीस आप अटैच करते हो, चाहे आप उसको हैंडली अटैच करो मैन्युअली, या आप उसको वाइस के साथ अटैच करके यहाँ पे वर्क प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो। ये आपका अपर जो है वो यहाँ पे आपकी शील्ड है, जो फेस शील्ड का काम करती है। जब आप इस पे वर्किंग करते हो तो वह आपका यहाँ पे जो है वो स्पार्क प्रोड्यूस होती है, और स्पार्क्स प्रोड्यूस होने की वजह से वो आपके फेसेस पे अटैक ना करे, उस वजह से यहाँ पे हम इसको प्रोटेक्शन के बेस पे लगाते हैं। ये आपका एक व्हील है, प्रोटेक्टेड व्हील है, कवर, जो आपके एब्रेसिव व्हील को जो है वो कवर करके रखता है फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल प्रोटेक्शन, राइट। सो यहाँ पे आपका स्विचिंग होता है, जो स्विच को होता है आपका, अगर आपने दोनों व्हील्स में से कोई भी व्हील यूज करना है, एक साइड आपका थिक व्हील यूज होता है और एक साइड आपका लाइट व्हील यूज होता है। जो लाइट व्हील है बेटा वो आपका, जब आपको रिक्वायरमेंट कम फिनिशिंग के लिए है तो आप उसको वहां पे सॉफ्ट व्हील आप यूज कर सकते हो। अदरवाइज आपको अगर मटेरियल ज्यादा रिमूव करवाना है तो आप थिक व्हील जो वहां पे यूज कर सकते हो। सो इट इज ए बेसिकली टू डिफरेंट व्हील्स। First is a thickness wheel, wide thick wheel, and second is a light wheel. When we remove the material from the workpiece hardly or extra, then we use the first thick wheel, right? Then when we remove or required a low small surface finishing, then we use the soft wheel in the second side. So this is the principle of a grinding machines, right? Next is the type of wheels. Type of wheel. Grinding wheels come in a variety of shapes and size, and each wheel has a different purpose. Some sharpen and cut, while other polish and smooth. The wheel shape you choose should match the type of application. First is straight grinding wheels. You see them all the time, the most basic grinding wheels, and are in workshops across the world. They are most commonly used to sharpen tools like chisel and lawn mower blades. You probably have one yourself at home. Large diameter grinding wheels. Large diameter wheels are like straight wheels, but they are much larger. These wide surface wheels grind down the outside of round objective like carbide blanks, also used for OD grinding or especially in oil and thermal spray industry. Third is grinding cup wheel. One of the most familiar application in grinding cup wheel is to polish stone or concrete, but with a small enough grit, cup wheels can take a delicate jobs like paint and adhesive removal. Cup wheels are often used for resharpening and finishing for some application depending on abrasive size. Fourth is grinding dish wheel. Dish grinding wheel look like cup wheel but are shallow and have a thinner surface edge. Their narrow shape allows them to fit into tighter crevices a cup wheel would never to be able to reach. They are also otherwise used for the some application as a cup wheel. Fifth is a segmented grinding wheel. Segmented wheel can be manufactured in various styles, 6A2, IAI, 2A2T. The major difference for this wheel is instead of having a continuous abrasive rim, the abrasive sections are segmented and applied to wheel. So here it is a factors affecting wheel selection. Considering to select a suitable specification of grinding wheel. First point is the material to be ground and its hardness, abrasive, aluminium oxide for steel and steel alloys, silicon carbide for cast iron, non-ferrous and non-metallics. Grit sizes, fine grit for brittle materials, coarse grit for ductile materials. Grade, hard grade for soft materials and soft grade for hard materials. The second is the amount of stock to be removed and the finish required. Grit size, coarse grit for rapid stock removal as in rough grinding. Fine grit for high finishing. Bond, vitrified for precision cutting, resinoid and rubber for high speed cutting. The wheel speed, bond, Standard vitrified wheels are not exceeding 2000 mpm for higher speeds and are up to 300 3600 mpm. Standard organic bonded wheels are used for most applications over 2000 mpm and up to 6000 mpm. Fourth is the contact area of grinding. Grit size. Coarse grit for large contact area, fine grit for small contact area. Grade. The smaller contact area, the harder wheel. So, it is an example of wheel specification. When we required a wheel specification or wheel, then we firstly judge the specification of the wheel and to use for the which purpose in the machining. 51A 36L 5V40. So this is the code or wheel used in the properties. Wheel properties specification. 51 means manufacturer symbol indicating type of abrasive. A. Abrasive aluminum oxide. 36. Grain size medium. L. Grade medium. 5. Structure. V. Bond. Vitrified. And 40 is the manufacturer symbol. Suffix optional. So this is the presentation slide which is based on the grinding machine and its types of grinding wheels, right? So in the next topic or in the next lecture, we discuss about the types of wheels and other important topic in the workshop technology subject. So thank you all for joining today.